Well, hello everyone, my name is Fairaniah Khansa, and let me introduce you to the community that I participate in.
So my first community is PAKAR. So PAKAR is a community that focuses on teaching for entrepreneurs to have a successful business. The community itself was founded in 2016 by Kak Aditya Kristanto. The reason for the establishment of this community is to remember the lack of education for business people and experts. So, by considering this issue, Kak Aditya decided to build this community. And until now, there have been more than 7,000 community members spread in various cities in Indonesia. And because this community is focused on conducting business training, the activities in it also consist of various business education workshops, such as workshop on the marketplace, social media marketing, human resource, taxation to export and import. All workshops are handled by trusted and successful expertise in their fields. And for the workshop schedule, you can check it on their Instagram at pakar.id. Besides the workshop, there are also other activities such as gathering members, group discussion with experts, and every week there will always be interesting workshops that can be joined.
My reason for joining this community is because I feel that being a successful entrepreneur does not only require skill, but also knowledge and advice from the experts who have already run a business. In addition to increasing my knowledge, the reason I joining this community was due to finding connection with other business people. I also met a lot of business people there, from exporter, importer, designer, cafe owner, lawyer, programmer, until the new beginner in business field like me. And I learned a lot of new things and got positive insight from the members. Besides that, I also got a lot of support from the members for the success of mine. So far, I'm very happy to be able to join this PAKAR community that has provided a lot of knowledge through workshop and fun discussion that I have participated in.
Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark. Let's go hunting.
And my second community is Superkids Eduventure. Superkids Eduventure, established since 2013 as a kids club, a reservoir for children adventures, exploration, and creativities. In Superkids Eduventure, children will be engaged in many unique activities together with friends and super team. Super team itself is a competent university student with different passion and talents who will accompany and mentor children in exploring the world as well as becoming a sharing partner through the adventure. And for weekly program, there is a lab secret that teaches science to children. And for members, there is a weekly meeting to discuss program plans and progress. My role in Superkids is to be a volunteer, and now we're planning to create an entrepreneurship program for children in Bandung called the Festival Wirausaha Anak, which is planned to be held in the near future. Joining this community started from my friend's story about the Superkids Eduventure community, and finally I felt very interested and decided to join with Superkids team. And besides that, the purpose of joining this community is to explore the education business, especially for children. And of course, by joining this community, I could find more connection, and more from this community, I met a lot of new friends from various universities in Bandung, and also I met a lot of
amazing is joining this community is very fun because I can try new things that I've never tried before, and then interacting with many smart kids is also the every step for my business networking activity, where first I got a lot of new networking and new channels to various business sector and industry. Second, my knowledge of business was grew and expanded. Third, I got an over of partnership with several friends who I met at the workshop. That I participate in, and thanks for watching.